And on commodities market, our focus today is on the global oil market as prices fell today as the latest escalation in the Sino-US trade war clouded the outlook for crude demand from the two countries, which are the world's top two oil consumers. Our Brent crude futures dropped 44 cents to $77.61 per barrel. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude was down 28 cents to $68.62 per barrel. And joining me now to speak more on this is one of the research analysts with financial derivatives company, Tobiloba Ogunbolu. Hello, Toby. Good afternoon. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you, Chimeze.
Now, we've seen oil prices drop today, but they are still trading above $75 per barrel. Considering the U.S.-China trade war, should oil-producing countries like Nigeria begin to celebrate?
Okay, well, Chimeze, this is a good thing. But while we're celebrating, we need to know that there are two sides to this. So on the positive side, we know that this is good for fiscal revenue. We also know that this would help limit the rate of decline of the external reserves. And we know that this is also good for the excess crude inventory. So on the negative side, we know that this would help increase the landing cost of the refined commodity. So as oil prices increases, then the landing cost for the refined commodity would also increase. So when oil was about $74 in August, the landing cost also increased. So there are two sides to the coin. So if there's an increase in commodity prices, that's increase in crude oil prices, then definitely the landing cost would also increase. So there are two sides to it.
Now, the downside to higher oil prices is an increase, of course, you just mentioned it, the landing cost of refined petroleum products. What does this mean for Nigerian government that has maintained the pump price of fuel at 145 naira per litre?
Okay, yes, the government have maintained the pump price at 145 naira per litre. But if we look at the trend, in December 2017, when the oil price was about 64, the landing cost again was about 185 naira, and the government maintained the price. Subsidy in December 2017 was 40 naira. But in August 2018, that was when oil prices were $75 per barrel. The landing cost goes to about 210 naira per litre. So it's 210 naira per litre, and the government maintained the price at 145 naira per litre. Then we know that the subsidy incurred by the government increased to about 65 naira. And in August, the daily consumption was about 46 million liters of petroleum. So 46 million multiplied by the 65 naira that was incurred on subsidy, that's about 3 billion naira. So that means the government spent about 3 billion naira on subsidy just in one day. So imagine that multiplied by 31, that's for the whole of August. That's a lot of money. So it's either in two ways. It's either the government absorbs the subsidy. It's either the government absorbs the subsidy or they transfer it to the consumer in form of higher pump prices.
All right, thank you for your time, Tobiloba. Tobiloba Ogunbolu is one of the research analysts with financial derivatives.